Please be ready for a dictation of transcription number 123 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Now, from the point of view of labor also, this measure is very important. I am giving all the arguments. The second 5-year plan admits that in order to keep up production in the country, in order to develop our industries, it is of great importance to enthuse the working class and the workers. It is the correct approach. As far as words go, nobody will quarrel with it. In fact, we would like more and more workers to be enthused. Such measures should be brought in more and more in order to make the working class see that with the increase in productivity on their part, at least there is improvement in their living conditions, that with the increased production of consumer goods in the country, they get more resources in their hands to buy the things that they require, to spend more money on their children, on their housing, on their health, on the education of their children, and all that. You have to create a situation like this. You have to create a feeling like this. You have to make provision for this. Even from that angle, it is necessary that this should be accepted. Labor enthusiasm cannot be created until and unless you relate the increase in productivity to an increase in the living standards of our people. More production, more money in the pockets of the working class, more money in the pockets of the working class, more consumption of their daily necessities of life, and less privations and difficulties. Am I wrong in this? I would ask the honorable members to say. Therefore, on that score, it is essential. Then, even from the point of view of industrial expansion, it is essential. You will ask me how. I will tell you how. Now, it means that if this Provident Fund contribution is not taken from them to that extent, the money will be with the working class. Stop.